Honorable Chairman, respected teacher and my dear friends. So students, my name is Maitri Vikas Nisar, Standard 8 from the school name is Shrimanta Rajmata Vijay Rajya Shinde Kanna Vidyalaya. I am telling some light about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. A developed India by 2020, a developed India by 2020 or even earlier is not dream. Or even earlier is not dream, it is a mission. We can take up and success, we can take up and success, said Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. Abul Pakir Jainul-Abdin Abdul Kalam was the 11th president of the India from 2002 to 2007. He was born 15 October 1931 at Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. The father name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is Jainul-Abdin and mother name is of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is Ashiyamma. Once the new class teacher come in APJ Abdul Kalam class and asking some question about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He asked the question of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is, what is your name? In this situation, Abdul Kalam is says, sir, my name is Abul Pakir Jainul-Abdin Abdul Kalam. Sir was very surprised. This is a very long name, Abdul. The APJ Abdul Kalam is says, Abul is my grandfather name. Pakir is my father's name. Jainul-Abdin is my father name. Abdul is my name and Kalam is my surname. Teacher was surprised, but Abdul, speaking your name is very hard. The short form of your name is APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam was very surprised. APJ Abdul Kalam had his second higher education at Ramnathpuram in Schwarz High School. He studied of aeronautical engineering in Madras Institute of Technology in Madras. This means the Chennai. Now, one day, the advertisement come in newspaper for job of aeronautical engineer in aeroplane company name is the Air India. The payment is than the Air India. In this situation, only 8 people are passing the exam of aeronautical engineering total of the India, and Abdul Kalam is top in rank. Abdul Kalam is going to the interview, but in this interview selected only 7 people. Abdul Kalam was not selected because the height of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is very low than other candidates. Abdul Kalam was very sad. Once again, other advertisement come in newspaper for job of aeronautical engineering. Payment is double of the Air India. These 8 people and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam going to the interview, but in this time only Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was selected. Abdul Kalam was very happy. Second day, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam going to the job. The one person is see the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam says, which aeroplane I'll drive? This person says, I have no aeroplane, but I confidently tell you make your aeroplane and drive this aeroplane. Abdul Kalam was very surprised. This person, who is this person? This person is India Space Research founder and ISRO founder, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai is also tell Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is, Abdul, my aim is next 2 years India launch its first satellite and you complete my aim. Abdul Kalam says, yes, already I complete your aim. On the 19 April 1975, India launched its first satellite Aryabhatta in the space station. The space station name is Thumba Space Station. The Vasanta Gowarikar is the fuel specialist. Satish Dhawan, Vasanta Gowarikar, APJ Abdul Kalam was the member, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the head member of this team. In this situation, America using the transporting the part of satellite using the crane, truck, etc. But India is a very weak country. In this situation, do not present the laboratory. The old Catholic Church is laboratory of the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Vasanta Gowarikar is a fuel specialist. They make the fuel in a laboratory. Satish Dhawan and Abdul Kalam are making some instruments like the radar system, etc. One day, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam mothers questioning Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul, ever you waits? Abdul Kalam says, yes, I waits. The mother was very shocked. Abdul Kalam says, mother, I waits math book, I waits science book, etc. The mother is proud of on your son. Dr. Raja Ramanna founded the DRDO. Once Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam going to the DRDO and announced the program of Agni, Prithvi, Akash, Nag, etc. missiles. On 18 May 1998, India take its first nuclear test at Pokhran at the Rajasthan. total world are surprised, but America is also surprised because in this century India is very weak country than the other country. But India take his nuclear state in this situation. Atal Bihari Vajpayee is Prime Minister of our India. They give the important slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan. This situation Abdul Kalam is also known as Missile Man of the India. APJ Abdul Kalam is President of our India from 2000 to 2007. Once Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam going to the function, the small girl say to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, "What is your ambition?" This girl says, "What is your ambition?" Abdul Kalam says, "My ambition is within next 20 years India is most powerful country than the other country." And I said the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, I complete your aim. Abdul Kalam got many prizes like Bharat Ratna in 1997, Padma Bhushan in 1980, Padma Vibhushan in 1981, etc. He wrote the many books, but Wings of Fire India 2020 is the main book. He got the very best medal, honor medal on 2009. The Abdul Kalam says, I end my speech, I also says, Abdul Kalam is every says, Abdul Kalam is every says, your signature change your ambition, your signature change your autograph change your future, and in this future you make become success. Thank you so much.